trains now boarded track 3. East Darkness now. Atlantic Terminal trains boarded track 3. It is 9:34. Stand clear to close the train doors on track 2 and 3. You have to avoid track 2 and 3 all aboard.
Just try to tell people what it was that we saw, which I still can't quite believe.
And really helping restore Gonaïve. We don't feel that it's going to be a short-term thing, so we feel it's going to take a consistency of a whole lot of aid.
And while my thoughts wander, I don't know where to start. Forgive me for what I speak. Emotions leaking from my heart. But before I continue, I hope my words reach you. Light is up for Haiti. Such a beautiful people, such a beautiful country. Do they deserve to suffer? Such a beautiful nation, such a beautiful culture. And while my heart is racing, and I address the topic, what's the reason they're facing something so catastrophic? And while I search for answers and balance my thoughts equal, all I can come up with is God is testing the people. It's so incredible to witness the strength of the righteous and a clear example of how we come together in crisis. But the point I'm trying to make is that we shouldn't slack to come together like this when it's after the fact.